Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome my old subscribers as well as my new subscribers. Welcome. And today's video I am participating in a collaboration called the Spring Cloche Collab, hosted by the lovely Kimberly Davis from Divia Designing on a Dime. She has asked us to create a spring cloche decorated for our home. You could use a cloche, you could use a dome or a cake dome, and she just wants us to create a beautiful spring vignette. So I want to share with you what I have created. But before I do, if you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. And also don't forget to hit that notification button that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. I also want to thank Kimberly from Divia Designing on a Dime for hosting this collaboration. Thank you, Kimberly. And I'm also going to leave a link below in her channel. Please go over to her channel. You will be blessed. And also I'm going to leave a link below to the playlist that she has created, that you will see all the creators that they have created for their Cloche collab. So I'm going to get started and just go watch her video and go watch everyone else's video and you'll be blessed. So the first thing I want to share with you is I went out and brought a cloche. I didn't have a cloche. I had a cake dome, but I went out and brought a cloche. This is a cloche that I purchased from Target. It's by Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, and it's a small cloche, and I was able to get it for $7.48 from that was on clearance. So that's the cloche, but that's the box for it. But this is the cloche, and it's a nice size. It's not a large size. It's the I guess they call it it's the small, because they have small and large. But this one was on clearance, so I purchased the small one, and it also comes with a glass base to it. And what I like about it is small enough that it can go onto plenty of your trays that you be doing different collaborations with the trays. And so it's small enough to sit anywhere in the tray, and it won't be so overpowering. So I really like that part about it. And then the next item I'm going to show you it's a cake plate that I already had, and I'm just going to put the cloche on the cake plate. So I'll just share the cake plate with you. And then I also purchased these cute little eggs. They were $2.99 from AC Moore. They're small, they're pink, different colors, pink, blue, and yellow. Purchased that. I also purchased this birdie, and this was $1.99, and it was half price. Sorry. And it was half price, and it has the blue and yellow in it, so I thought that was cute. And I also purchased this bird's nest. And this was $1.99, and it was blue, and I liked it because it was blue. And I also purchased these dahlias. Let's see if I could get, dahlias, yellow flowers, nice and springy. And I'm doing a lot of yellow this spring and summer, so I'm doing a lot of yellows. I purchased that. And I purchased this little cutie pie, this little bunny, and his little blue overalls, and sitting on this yellow, look like a sweater knit egg. And I thought that was so cute. And I purchased this from Tuesday morning for $6.99. So I thought he was so cute, this little bunny. So we're gonna see how that work out in a cloche. And that was it. I have a couple of these more flowers that I use for another DIY, and I have a couple left over from that, so I might need that. And of course the wire cutters, and I did this off camera, this little bow, because I want to try to put, I might put the bird on, I'm not sure, because I might just lay the bird on the plate. But that is all the items that I purchased. So I'm going to get started and putting everything together, and I just might go ahead and just speed things up. So it's really simple and it won't take long, so I'm just going to just start putting everything together, what I have thought about doing. Put that there. So this is the spring cloche, and here go the beautiful yellow flowers, and you see the little eggs up there and the little bunny sitting on an egg. I thought that was so cute. And then the birdie looking down on the bunny like he's up in the trees. And this is my spring cloche. And I think it came out really cute. I love the little eggs. And they just fit in, but how cute is that little bunny sitting on that egg with his feet up in the air? How cute. And how cute is this yellow and blue birdie looking down on that bunny? It is so cute. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I want to thank Kimberly again for hosting this collaboration. Thank you, Kimberly, and I was so happy that I was able to participate. And I will see you all on the next video. Goodbye.